Section 7.1, Day 2. Write an equation for and graph a parabola with focus -3, 1 and vertex -5, 1. Let's start with the vertex, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, and the focus is -3, 1. And this thing now opens, all parabolas open from vertex to focus. So this thing is opening to the right, which means y is being squared. We have y minus k squared is equal to 4p times x minus h. And we know the vertex. We know that this is going to be y minus 1 squared is equal to 4p times x plus 5. And we just have to find the p, and we got it. Well, p is actually 2 in this case. So we have y minus 1 is squared is equal to p being 2 because it's going to the right. From vertex to focus is to the right. We have 8 times x plus 5. Now the latus rectum is the absolute value of 4p, and 4p is sitting right here. That's 8. So that means we go 4 up and 4 down. 1, 2, 3, 4 up, and 1, 2, 3, 4 down through the focus. And then we kind of just graph what we might think the parabola looks like. Write an equation for and graph a parabola that has focus -1, 7, opens up, and contains 3, 7. So the focus is -1, 7. -1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's right here. And it goes through the point. It contains the point 3, 7. 1, 2, 3, and 7. And this opens up. So it's going to open up like this. That the vertex is down here somewhere. Let's write what we know. We know that it opens up. That means x is being squared. X minus h squared equals 4p times y minus k. Now the h and the k are the vertex. Well, if this thing is opening up, this vertex is below the focus somewhere. Now the focus is the point -1, 7. So the vertex will be -1. It will be lined up vertically with the focus. And we'll have 7 minus some p. So if p is 5, then this one will be down at 2. Now we can find out what the p is now. This point is an x and a y on the parabola. So now we know that x is 3. We have 3 minus. With the vertex, this represents the vertex. This is an h and a k. We have now 3 plus 1, or 3 minus -1 squared, is equal to 4p times, we know a y value, that's 7, and the y coordinate of the vertex right now is 7 minus p. So we have 7 minus p. We have 4 squared is equal to 4p, and then 7 minus 7, that'll be 0, and we'll have a positive p, so times p. Well, we have 16 equals 4p squared. We divide by 4. That's 4 equals p squared. It turns out p is 2. So we are 2 down from the vertex, or from the focus actually. And the vertex now is -1, comma. And if we're 2 down, we're right there. That is going to be what, 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. So there's our actual vertex, and we can write x minus, this is the h, this is the k, so x plus 1 squared is equal to, we found out that the p is 2, so that makes it 8 times the y minus 5, which is the k. So we're 4 to the right, and we must be 1, 2, 3, 4 to the left, and now we can draw something that resembles a parabola. Write an equation for and graph a parabola with focus -2, 5 and directrix x equals 4. Well, let's make a little plot of this. We have -2, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and a directrix is x equals 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now a parabola always opens up away from its directrix, so the vertex will be halfway in between here in a horizontal fashion. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means it's 3 to the right. So 1, 2, 3. That puts the vertex now is at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 5. Well, now we can pretty much write the equation. We have This is opening to the left, which means y is going to be squared. Y minus 5 squared is equal to 4p times x minus 1, and we know the p is actually negative 3. From vertex to focus, that's a negative 3. We have y minus 5 squared is equal to negative 12 times x minus 1. So let's see if we have that anywhere. We have the negative 12s. That's not negative 12, and that's not negative 12. And we have x minus 1 and y minus 5 squared. The answer is letter B. Write the equation of a parabola with focus 2, negative 1 and directrix of y equals 5. So we have a focus of 2, negative 1. 1, 2, negative 1. And y equals 5 is the directrix. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's up here. So there's the directrix. The vertex will be halfway in between these two. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1, 2, 3. The vertex is 2, 2. This is opening down, which means x is going to be squared. We have x minus h squared equals 4p times y minus k. Now this is the vertex, so this is the h and the k. We have x minus 2 squared is equal to, the p is actually negative 1, 2, 3. The p always goes from vertex to focus, so it's down. We have negative 12 times y minus 2.